Okay. So her judge is Mariel Joy sa Cosalin, Tirol.
If you are to choose today, which is more important, career or family?
Thank you for your wonderful question. The important is my family. And because that is the one of the most important. Because they teach you how and when are going to reach our career or to the career is ang career, wabag na siya sa panahon. The important siya is the family because the family will be the one who will guide you. Mao mo guide mo ug unsa para makuha nimo ang imong career na gusto nimo makamit sa imong kinabuhi. And I thank you.
Thank you so much. So there